Hi everybody, my name is Dianga Unity. I'm a level 2 student and I'm offering accountancy as an elective. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter account and how you can follow somebody on Twitter. So the first thing is you can download the app into your mobile device, or you can go straight to the link and create it from the link. And here I've decided to create it from the link. So here I've written down the link http://twitter.com and then I press enter and it brings me here to sign up. You can sign up when you're creating a new account, and you can log in when you already have an account. So here I'm going to sign up because I want to create a new account on Twitter. So when you click there, it brings you to create account. Here now you can enter your username. What kind of username do you want to put? I can put in that name and then I put in my phone number, or you can use your email. When I put my phone number, I click on next and then I click on sign up. I click on OK. They're going to send me a verification code in my phone, and with that I can use it to record to activate the account. So I'm still waiting for the code to come in. So 128097128, and then I click on next. When you click on next, now it takes you to create a password. You need to create a password. So I can create a password of my choice. So I've created a password, and you can reveal what you created. You click on next. When you click on next, you can choose the kind of activity you're interested in. What are you interested in Twitter? So you can choose the kind of activity you're interested in. Let's say I'm interested in maybe industry digital creator. I can choose digital creator and I choose next. Then here now it has already brought you to where you can follow somebody. If you want to see tweets from people or on your timeline, you can follow them. So I've followed Cristiano Ronaldo and I followed one person. You can also allow notifications to get the most of Twitter, to get what you want in Twitter. But here I don't want it to happen now. So I've followed this, and also with here now I can upload my profile picture. What kind of profile picture do I want? You upload it from your device. So I can choose that. For my profile picture, I open and then I can apply it. So when you apply now, you see that you have created a Twitter account. Here now you can start tweeting people, you can start writing to people, you can still follow people. Here you can follow you can follow them by tweeting them, or you can follow them by going to their profile picture that you want to do and you follow. Like down here, if you see that I have followed this person and all those things. I can follow all his activities. You can also follow them by the messages that they have, or you can create a new message, start a conversation, and you can send a message and enter the person you want to enter. But right now I don't know any person, so I can't start sending a message. So this is basically what you can do. and you can edit your Twitter account here. You can save, introduce yourself, who you are and what you are into. Here you can do it. So that is basically like editing your profile account, because this is your profile. You click on your profile settings, you see your profile, you see list, moment, tweet, ads, and everything there. You can come there and you do it. So with this now, I already have an account. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you for today. This is actually what a brief idea of how to create an account on Twitter, and how you can log in and how you can use, and mostly it is used for business purposes, professionalism, and creating a good network. Thank you for listening, and remain connected.